Hello everybody, this is Vieira from Vieira Coins. I just decided to open NGC unbox from NGC. There's 3 gold coins. 2 of them they are extremely red. Pre-open it and let's see. I hope you guys enjoy. So the first one, it's a 1988 Egypt gold 50 pounds. That's from the Seal Olympics. The certified proof 69 ultra cameo, and that's a top up coin. And the good thing about this coin are, as a proof, the mintage it's only 50 coins. Entire world, only 50 coins. Okay, that's extremely low mintage. They make a 150 as a business strike, but a proof they are only 50, and that's the best coin in the world right here on my hand. Certified proof 69 ultra cameo. That's the reverse. Up first. The next coin from the same country, 1988 Egypt gold 50 pounds. It's from the Olympics as well, commemorative coin. Certified approved 69 ultra cameo. The mintage also only 50 coins in Taiwan. In celebration the Winter Olympics Games in 1988. 50 pounds from Egypt, only 50 coins in Taiwan. I see only one variable at the time, approved 68, but a 69 it's one of the kind. The last but not least, that's a short video. That will be a Hong Kong 1976 Hong Kong gold Lunar Series tracking year. It's a perfect coin, approved 70 ultra cameo. The mintage also, that's a low mintage, I know this rare. The mintage is 6,988 as a proof. There's a beautiful dragon. A lot of details on it. Of course, it's a perfect coin, perfect grade. And the Queen Elizabeth. Okay guys, that's all I have for today. If for some reason some part are interested and to know what kind of coins is this one, you see what's going on, you see the price on it, contact us and you might be able to make a variable. But if it's not, this coin will be a variable in our eBay store starting tomorrow on April 1st. It's not April Fool's, okay? April 1st. Thank you for everything. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.